Hi buddies, in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram, post photos, in your PC Windows 10. Okay, first you have to go to this page. The link will be in the video description. Click here to install Instagram. Okay, let's click here and you will be redirected to the app. Close this. Click install if you don't have installed in your computer, or open if you already have it installed in your computer. This window will appear. Okay, open Microsoft Store. Okay, in my case the app is installed. I am going to click launch. If you don't have an account, you can create one here, clicking in sign up. If you already have an account, you have to type your credentials. Okay, here it is. Now to share a photo, you can go to the photo, in a folder that you have. Let's share this one. Right click button, share. Choose Instagram in the list. Instagram. Opening Instagram. Okay. In my case, I'm gonna choose feed. This format is cool. Next. Choose a filter if you want. This filter is good. Next. Write something here. I am posting this to test. Okay. Click OK. Now share. Sharing. Here it is. Thumbs up if you liked.